Okay, again, one thing that I want to explain here. So if I want to take help from any of the functions in MATLAB, so it will be two ways that you can take help from it. Okay, if you click on here this fx sign, so it will open a complete, the offline directory, complete a documentation that is installed with your MATLAB software. Just a second. Yeah. Okay, so whatever the the toolboxes that or the the application that you want to work with, for example, I want to work with the mathematics. So okay, I can do this like yeah, here mathematics. So I can get the related result like elementary of math, linear algebra, random number generations, some interpolation operation, optimization are there. Okay, so I can get the complete documentations from this MATLAB. So if I click on this linear algebra, so whatever the function which is related to with this linear algebra, it will give me the complete list. So the function list. So you can use this. For example, I can use this CHOL. Okay, this is Cholesky factorization to find out the factors in MATLAB. So I can use this. I can use the CHOL functions into MATLAB, right? So so this is complete a solution that you can do some mathematical equations. Okay. Again, as I earlier in my earlier session that I explained you that you can take help also from this, the question sign. Okay, so now we'll see that how we can do some operation on the the Excel data. So let me open the file. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Let me just open this outside of the MATLAB. Okay, so this is the data that I have. It is the data that the in India, the how much the electricity usage has been, the numbers has taken into different factors. For example, the residential use or commercial use or the industrial purpose, and total power that is used by these three columns, or we can say three applications, right? Okay, so this is the data which is belong with the different dates. Okay, according to the different dates that electricity has been used in residential or in commercial or in industrial also. Okay, and this will be a total columns. Okay, so what I can do is I need to import this thing into MATLAB. So how I can do this? Let me close this. Yeah, if I click on this import data tool, as I told you that how you can access some different files or data through MATLAB. So just click on this import data tool. So it will pop up a window like this. So it says that select your files wherever your files is there. So select it first. Again here you can see this is some recognized data files. So for example, you can import some data for like audio files, some XLS files or the video files. So different data or the files that you can import into MATLAB. Okay. My data file is in this data XLS file. Let me yeah, okay. So this is electricity data that we just saw. Okay, and let me open this. Okay, so this is the data that I need to import into MATLAB. Okay, so what first thing is I can also do this, I can also import in as a table format. I can also do this like column vector. So what it will import all the all the columns which is available into this file. Again, if I want to need only the numeric matrix, so I can also use this output numeric matrix. Okay, the string array, if I want to need only the string arrays, the data, I can use this string arrays as an output. And I need some the character data, so I can use this cell array. Okay, so this is the type of the this is the types of arrays. Okay, so I can do this into different. So MATLAB gives me different option to import into MATLAB. Okay, so by default I'm using this table form. Okay, now which you see here, this is the blank. Okay, it says that NaN means not a number. Okay, so there is a, the missing data. Now my goal is to find out the missing data, and the fill the missing data into this, the file. How I can do this? First I need to import into MATLAB. Okay, so if I click on this MATLAB, if I click on this, this sign, this green sign, so MATLAB will import as the electricity. So it is imported as a variable of this called electricity. Okay, and the size of this 36 into 5. Okay, so let me check this. Yeah, so this is our